How to turn off any OnePlus phone without touching screen. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your device, then simply hold on to power button. While holding to power button, you'll find these options. For touching power off, you'll need to touch screen. So simply hold on to power button. Together with power button, hold on to volume down button. After you hold them together for some seconds, simply release both the buttons. After you have released both the buttons, your phone will be powered off without touching screen. This is how to turn off any OnePlus phone without touching screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.